Hello everyone, I'm Ahmed Ekel from Egypt and I want to share my experience in Japan during the METI internship program. I'm currently 21 years old and I've been working in the machine learning field for about, I think, 4 years now. And my interning company was Scoville, and Scoville is like a company which creates AI products for everyone access. And I'm currently pursuing my bachelor degree in Egypt Japan University in my fourth year. I joined this internship and this program to like gain experience in the Japanese culture and experience how they work, how they interact with each other, how they interact with foreigners, and I wanted to experience the work culture of Japan. Now, about my interning company, which is School. School is based in Ibisu Square in Shibuya, and we lived in Sakinjaya, so we had like I think 30 minutes by train every day, which was like 4 stations. And the nice thing about Scoville is that it doesn't the company is not like all Japanese people. It has actually a lot of foreign people. It has 20 plus countries, people from other countries, and supervisors, which supervised us on the task. Those were from 8 other countries. So whenever we are in a meeting, we have a lot of countries in the same room, which is was very overwhelming to me and was very nice to experience. Also, the project that we were working on was uh, like a text anonymization system that hide the authorship identity of a user if he submits a feedback to his boss or manager or all of that. So we basically want to change the style of the author, so no one would know that this text is wrote by a certain author. So about my work there and what I learned, I was working on creating a language model, large language model to solve problem, and we decided that we should go with generative adversarial networks to solve this problem. And we used a pre-collected data set, and the hard thing about that was integrating a large language model with generative adversarial networks, and the harder thing is integrating a strong discriminator to tackle this task. So I think this was like the hardest part about the internship because we had to train a very large model, and I learned a lot from that because integrating large models with GANs is notoriously bad for unstable training and bad results and unsensible output and unstructured English and all of that. So I think I learned a lot from that point. Also, like the Japanese culture of the company changed me a lot from the project management and the team management and how everyone is managing a lot of time zones and everyone from other countries, which is really great to me. Uh, Also, like the Japanese etiquette, and you should like take your shoes off before you go into the company, and all that was really, I think it was really nice to experience. Also, before I came to Japan, I had like this, how can I say it, misconception that like Japanese companies are always stressed, and if you work overtime, you don't get paid. But actually, it was exactly the opposite. I really enjoyed how organized everything is and how everyone is so transparent and has a lot of communications with others, which really captured my attention and changed my mind about Japan. So about the challenges I faced there, the first thing and the most important thing and the most obvious is the duration of the internship. It was only 1 month, and we were tasked with a really really hard project to do in 1 month, especially if it was gonna be deployed as a Japanese language model at the end. So yeah, I think that was the hardest one. Also, I took a lot of time to adapt to the culture and Japanese rules and all of that, because in Egypt it's a lot more random than that, I would say. But in Japan, everything is organized and you have to follow certain rules. And if you don't follow certain rules, people will look you in like in a certain way, you know. But yeah, I think it was hard. Also, for me, I don't speak any Japanese. I know like a little Japanese, for example, arigato gozaimasu and all of that. But like when I went to a shop and to buy something or to order food or anything, it was very hard to explain my thought process and all of that. But I gotta be honest, overall, the experience was so good. Like, everyone was so welcoming, as you can see here in the picture. Everyone is like, is very collaborative with us, and everyone was very friendly and helpful. And they're all like, they consider that we had only 1 month work on this project, and they helped us. So I think it was a great experience, and I would love to work in Japan in the future. So thank you, everyone.